Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Yusef Scott, and I want to thank all of you for being here with me this morning. All across the world, you couldn't be at a better place than here with me. So I thank you for subscribing to my channel. I thank all of you who are my loyal viewers, as well as those of you who have just found me just recently. I thank you. If you have not subscribed to my channel just yet, please be sure to do so before ending this video. You do not want to not subscribe to this channel. I put out tons of invaluable content that's going to help you. It's going to help you realize profit in the market. All right, tons of hidden jewels within every video. All right, you have to be aware of what I'm talking about to get it. All right, sometimes you cannot just hold one's hand and give them what they need. You have to force them to take it. All right, so if your eyes are open, your ears are listening, all right, you'll be able to relate and realize what it is that I'm talking about. All right, now let's get into exactly why I'm here. All right, I want to let you guys know that the market is one that can change your life. All right, I'm going to show you how the market has changed my life. Okay, the GBPNZD trade that I have running, it's fantastic. All right, it's just a small fry of what I've been able to realize with that pair. I've mastered one pair. And this is what I've been able to realize. Now let me explain something to you. There are many people who have come to realize the GBPNZD trade because how heavily I advertise it, how heavily I trade it. That's fine. I want people to be aware, become aware of this pair. Very easy to read, you know. What I want you to realize is what I'm showing my students right now. All right, let's go over to the charts. And for those of you who are non-believers, it's okay. You can learn something too. Let me just show you. All right, this is the GBPNZD. All right, as you see, GBPNZD daily. All right, now we've been watching this pair plummet ever since the Brexit. It collapsed. It just started tanking, and we've been watching this pair. Now, of recent, let's say within the last 2-3 weeks, this is what I've told my students. I told them to watch this area right here. That's a gap in the market, the GBPNZD. Now, one thing that I want to tell you guys, if you do not believe anything that I ever say, believe this. When you pay attention to price action, you see all the hidden clues that they leave behind. You have to pick up on them. Let me show you. Let me ask you a question first. Do you see anything that's out of the ordinary with the movement underneath the gap? Can you see it? Too late, let me tell you. Every time the market moved up to the gap area, all right, just like this, you had, the market move up to the gap area, it backed off every time. All right, moved up, backed off. Now there's something even deeper than it backing off that I want you all to pay attention to. Most of you probably can't see it. Let me tell you. No, let me ask you first. Do you see it? Too late. Let me tell you. We've had 3 engulfing candles, bearish, that has all engulfed but went back up following it. Engulfing candle here after this candle. Right afterwards, it didn't go up. It didn't go down. It went up. Engulfing candle. It didn't go down. It went up. Engulfing candle. And guess what? The market is going down. So this is my, if you want to call it speculation, this is my theory. This is my realization of this pair. If by the end of this candle, by the end of this day, if this candle closes bearish, you can almost see that it will continue to plummet. If it happens to reverse at some point during the New York session and turns bullish, then it will continue its move. Engulfing candle, then it goes up. Engulfing candle, then it goes up. Engulfing candle. Well, you had an engulfing candle that went up. Turn around the next day, it went down. All right? It engulfed at the gap. But guess what? It was at the gap. The next day, it engulfed. And so now, if history repeats itself, we should see this go back up. All right? If it does not go back up, it's almost guaranteed that it will continue to plummet. All right? If you don't believe me, keep watching. That's what I'm saying. Now, because of the pattern here, engulfing candle, the next candle after the engulfing candle, if history repeats itself, like I said, it should be bullish. We'll see. All right. If this candle continues to push down below, this is what you want to watch out for. It's already below that area. Okay. The only worry, if it closes beyond this wick here, then that's almost a sure tell, a sure enough reason to believe that it's going to go down. The absolute low could possibly be at this point. But if you notice, we're probably about 50 pips away, something like that. So if it closes above here, I'm still going to root for the bears to go down. All right? If it backs up and turns bullish by the end of the day, I would expect it to go higher and repeat the pattern. All right? These are patterns in the market that you have to pay attention to. These are things that, as a mentor, I can't always teach these things. I can tell you. But when you're watching, looking at the charts, analyzing, back testing, you have to pick up on these things by yourself. All right? Just wanted to let you guys know what's probably going to happen, what's most likely going to happen should this day continue bearish and close out as a bearish candle. All right? My trades are still running. I'm happy, very, very, very happy about this because it's amazing. And this is what the long-term trade is about. This is what the long-term strategy is about. This is what the So Darn Easy Millionaire Combo membership is all about. This is what you're going to learn. All right? Just wanted to let you guys know. You guys have a fantastic day. Peace.